I use Claude Code to automate the entire process of scripting, editing, and scheduling Reels on my Instagram account, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and give you the free resource so that you can do it for yourself. Now, to give you an idea of what's possible here, I have a very small Instagram account that I don't post on consistently with about 700 followers, and this video right here with 3,000 views and almost 100 likes and 31 comments was done entirely by Claude Code. It added the text up here, it color graded the video, it cut the video, it added background music, and it added captions as well. So let's take a listen.
Sends me a PDF summary on Telegram. So by the time I sit down with my morning coffee, I already know exactly which clients need attention and which ones are crushing it.
This video over here was also done by Claude Code, where it added the caption and scheduled it on Instagram, and it got close to 10,000 views. Now, the cool thing about a video such as this one is that it works entirely inside of Claude Code with me simply doing one single command that is called scripted reels. And the scripted reels pipeline works as follows. I sit down just like I do right now and I batch record scripts. So for instance, if I say scripted reels, create some new scripts, it will go ahead and look at my Notion, look at all the ideas that I have, and it will write some new scripts for me. But even cooler, once I have that recorded, it will take a long video, let's say 30 minutes of me just reading one short form script after the other, and it will chop it up into individual clips. So as you can see, it's looking at the tracker right now where we have a total of 48 clips in there. Once it has that clipped up, they are actually ready to edit, and all I need to do now is go into a new chat, go /scripted reels, do the next reel. Now what it's going to do is it's going to look at what content I already recorded, and it's going to walk through the next reel. Now if I go here and I just want to show you sort of what we've been doing recently, scripted reels, show me the last reel you edited end to end and we have scheduled. Please open it on my device. So I'm just going to show you the last video that we've done here in a second. As you can see, it's now opened up the video. So let me pull it up for you guys really quickly. And you can see the video is right here. 3 skills that unlock 10x Claude Code, and it's entirely done with AI. And in this case, what's actually interesting is that this is a HeyGen avatar. So not even the video is recorded by myself.
Using Claude Code without knowing these skills is useless, and you just need to comment Claude and I'll send them over for free. First, the /deep research skill. It researches everything about a topic for 2 hours, proofreads, and gives you a proper report back.
Now the interesting thing here is that the worst part is the actual AI generated video with HeyGen, but if you look at the real videos, it is way better in terms of the quality. Now going back into Claude Code, as we can see in the next scripted reel, it's currently looking for the clip. It found the specific clip. It's now marking it as in progress and starting the entire pipeline. And the cool thing is you don't even have to worry about what it's doing. All you need to do is go down below in the description, get the free resource, plug it into your Claude Code, and build out the pipeline together with your Claude Code so that you have the exact same system running on your end, but tweaked for your specific use case. Now you're probably wondering, Emil, how would you create 20 plus reels in 10 minutes? Let me show you. I'd simply go into new chats, do /scripted reels, next video please. I copy this, paste that in, go into the next chat, do it again, next video please, go into the next chat, do it again, and then you could have the same chat even do multiple ones. So for now I'm going to close these, but you could even have the same chat do /scripted reels, please edit the next 20 videos. And you could simply run that pipeline and it would walk through it. The reason why I like doing individual chats is because it's easier for Claude Code with the amount of context that it's using to do one video and then move on to the next. So that's why I have multiple chats running instead of just doing 20 in one. Now, as you can see, going back to the new scripts that we're creating, it's now giving me all these different ideas. I can now have them added to Notion by Claude Code, and I can say, yes, add to Notion, and it'll add them in there. Now, as you can see, building a reel is pretty complex, and what it does is it detects the speech segments on the raw clip, it cuts them and cuts out any retakes, it then renders the clean cut, trims out any dead space, it color grades it, adds captions, adds music, and adds the letterbox format, which is the black bars coming in so that it has a little bit of a cinematic feel, and then it updates the tracker with the final path before giving me the entire video. And the end result is videos just like this. And as you can see, I have a ton of different batches inside of my folders. So I can go into this random batch, go to clips, and I will see all the different clips that I've made. And the best part is that we use a tool called Metricool to actually schedule these posts on Instagram. And Claude Code can automatically schedule it as trial reels, like it did yesterday for this video right here. It automatically edited it and published it, and it's also able to analyze the stats and the performance. So if I go into a new chat and I do /scripted reels, how are my videos performing, it will be able to analyze that and give me full insights. As you can see, if I ask how my videos are performing, it first tries to read the tracker, it then pulls fresh analytics from Metricool, and it's about to give me proper insights into which videos performed and which ones didn't. As you can see, it's now pulled the fresh numbers, updated the tracker, and it's now telling me how the videos are performing. 13 trial reels are live, there's one clear winner, and the rest is bunched up, and so now it's going to analyze the data and figure out what to do next. So I've actually trained it on this specific skill, so it's saying write 2 to 3 hook variations on the same 7 a.m. concept, which is the best performing video that I have, and then basically it's telling me to just double down on what already worked. Now if we go back to the one where it's doing the next scripted reel, we can see that it's currently figuring out the hook, it's editing all the different sections. If we go up here to the checklist, it's still in the initial part where it's actually editing the cuts and the retakes. But as soon as this video is done, I'm simply going to say schedule it on Instagram, and it's going to pop up here just like this one did, and that is the video that I just showed you, and it was scheduled yesterday on my Instagram. It adds a caption to the video, it sets it as a trial reel, and it makes sure everything is intact, and it's then able to pull stats from the analytics over time. Now, if you want to set this up for yourself, all you need to do is go down below in the description. I've linked it as the free resource right at the top of the description. Download it for free, put it into your Claude Code, and tell it to walk you through the setup, and you're going to have your own scripted reels or just a reels pipeline in no time. And with that being said, if you want the resources for how to set this up, all you need to do is go to the link down below in the description. It's completely free. Download that MD file, chuck the MD files inside of your Claude Code, and tell it to walk you through the process, and it's going to walk you through the entire process of setting up a similar sort of structure and walk through the exploration phases with you so that you can actually use Claude Code and increase your productivity permanently. And trust me, once you have it set up, you are never going back to normal. And if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.